Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the biometrics and security. As you can see, on the second position we've got fingerprints, so simply tap on it, and if we've got a pattern, pin or password currently set, then let's enter it. If not, you will have to do it right now, because it is in order to still be able to unlock your device if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work. So let me do it. And as you can see, this is the very first stage of adding the fingerprint, so simply tap on continue. Right now we have to scan our fingerprint, and we can do it by putting our finger on the sensor which is located on the power button. So let me do it, let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, right now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Try to catch every corner, every edge for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just added our fingerprint to this device. If you'd like to, you can add another just by tapping here. If not, tap on done. And here we've got some options which are connected to the fingerprints. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it or remove it if you want. So let me rename it, tap on save. What's more, we can add another. We can also check our fingerprints. So here we've got, let's say, a test. So if you will have much more fingerprints added, then you can tap here, put your finger on the sensor, and your device will detect it. So under it, we've got also some options which are connected. Here you can decide for what you want to use your fingerprint for. So you can use it as a fingerprint unlock, so you can obviously turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, but I will leave it like this because we want to check if it is actually working. And under it we've got the fingerprint always on, so you will be able to wake and unlock your phone just by touching the side key without need to press it. And actually that's all. Let's check if it is working. Let me lock the device. And let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the fingerprint sensor worked, so we just unlocked our device. So it means that actually everything works fine. What's more, we can unlock our device also with the pattern. If you have one currently set, then you know it. If not, if you had to enter one, you'll be able to unlock your device with it. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.